today we will play the boom challenge, and I'm playing with my sister. But since my sister doesn't know how to pick a boom, my mom will be the one who's gonna pick.
Me.
So
me.
she can pick first.
Okay. This side ako mapik.
Wait,
For Yara?
This side, this side.
Okay, wait.
Boom.
Basta honest, ha?
Boom. Boom.
Ayo, nanay's gonna pick for you. Okay?
Alam ako.
Ah, sige. Which do you like? Sige, which do you like? Hain.
Te.
Anay, hi. Don't look, ate. Hain mo. This one.
Yeah.
Hain pa.
Boom.
Isa pa. Isa pa. Hain. Adi. Tas hain pa.
Boom. Boom.
Ini. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sige. We have boom. Ano yun niya? Sige. May na. How about you? Sige. I'm not gonna tell Yara. Ayun lang uyaya Kayla. Kadikan nanay.
Sugari ka. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sige. Okay. You may start now. Yara first. Boom! Ate liwat.
My turn.
Safe. Okay. Yara next. Sige, Yar, go. Safe. Ano kayo diri ka to pwede mag-eat? Ate. Safe. Sige, Yara.
Say.
Safe. Okay, ate. Boom! Awara mo niya. Ngayon, mag-play. Sige. At Yara na, Yara. Safe. Ate. Safe. Ringot ka. Anong gusto? Anay, makuha lang ikilang biscuit. Ikilang biscuit, ha? Ikilang diba?
We're gonna wait for my mother.
Mom?
Sige. Taray na.
Kanyara.
Okay. Hay na.
Okay.
Safe? Okay.
After.
Safe.
Your turn na.
Yara na. Usa palat boom niyo na duwa, ano?
After.
Double turn.
Boom!
Boom.
Oh, Yara na, Yara.
Your turn.
Safe.
After. Ikaw at.
Safe.
Careful.
Safe.
After what?
Ate liwat. Boom! Perdi ate Okay.
Tagos boom.
Okay, sige. Tapos boom. Ay, wala yan.
Yara, close your eyes.
Okay?
Okay. Boom.
Okay. Close your eyes ate. Yara, ate mo boom.
Boom.
Okay. Sige.
Itat.
Again, Yar. Pick your boom again. Ayaw, patigaling mo yan, Yar. Hapa na din, ma.
Don't tell ate. Don't tell ate. Which one is your boom?
Boom.
Okay. Sige. Let's go.
It.
Oh, tayo mo.
Bye!
Yay!
Have some.